Hi, I'm Mike Nelson
And I'm Monica Nelson.
of Long & Foster Real Estate Incorporated, your Maryland and Pennsylvania realtors.
Let's take a look at this week's featured listing.
Welcome to 2743 Greene Lane in Baldwin, Maryland. From the show-stopping kitchen to all the bright and sunny rooms throughout, it is ready for you to call home. There is so much to see in this large, 4,000 square foot spectacular home. There's a large bonus area, which includes a second kitchen, a large living space, and full bath. There are 5 bathrooms, which have all been updated, including the owner's suite bathroom with a 2-person walk-in marble tile shower. There's almost an acre and a half for you to enjoy the outdoors with a beautiful paver patio in the back. The basement is also finished, so the list goes on and on.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our contact information is below. We look forward to talking to you.
Main Street Home Loans, marketing rich enough to be used by America's finest real estate agents.